Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll talk about how to use your email to stay organized for your next trip. So what happened for my last trip, which was to the Philippines, I had so many emails from here and there, like flight confirmation, trip confirmation, and tour confirmation, hotel confirmation, and I stayed like about 15 to 20 different hotels and Airbnb, and they were like all cluttered in my mailbox, and I had a hard time sorting throughout, and it was kind of mixed up with other emails. So the easy way you can stay organized for your next trip is that you have to create a temporary folder, and you can name it according to the name of your next destination. For example, I'm planning a trip to Thailand now, and I have a temporary Thailand folder, and where I'm going to be putting all my Thailand trip related emails in that folder, including flight confirmation or hotel booking reservation or tour confirmation, everything. So what happens, this gives you a clutter-free email, and you'll not have to sort through any trip related emails for Thailand. So you can just find them all in one place, and then that's the way you can stay organized for your next trip. And once you finish that trip, you can just go ahead and delete the complete folder, unless you want to save some emails. Then you can just archive them or put it in your saved folder. Now if you'd like to go one step ahead, then you can just also download or save some of the confirmation emails which you think you're going to be needing when you are at the destination. For example, your hotel reservation or your flight booking or boarding pass, or it can be your trip or tour confirmation. Usually they need to look at a barcode on the tour confirmation. You can just put them in one folder and save that folder in your OneDrive or Google Drive or pCloud or anything, any related cloud backup system, and then you should make that folder available offline. So that way you have everything in one place, and even if you don't have internet access, you can easily access them from your phone, because you made those available online. So for the next travel hacks and tips video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.